I'm going to introduce this group, the members and their different participation in preparing our lunch meal for today. I'm Alex for the editing of video and the PowerPoint. Miss Catalina Gaya for the preparation of cooking procedures. And Mr. Troy and Mr. Alden, the researchers, and for the ideas of our meal presentation. And Ms. Camille Ayu, our leader, to combine all the our research. So let's start.
Punya pengpasan.
Okay, what are we going to say is all about the toddler meal preparation for lunch. We are going to discuss again the ideas that we have discussed before in our online class. Preschoolers. So what do preschoolers need? Preschoolers need to eat food from all five healthy food groups: vegetable, fruit, grain foods, dairy, and protein. Healthy foods have nutrients that are important for their daily life. You should limit salty, fatty, and sugary foods, low fiber foods, and drinks with caffeine or a lot of sugar. Why lunch meals for preschoolers is important? This is an important time of the day for the children. First and foremost, the lunch time. Keep the children nourished and their energy levels regulated for all the activities that they will participate in. Food gives them energy to grow, play games, and be healthy and learn. Every day, you need to eat different foods.
This instant pot chicken fried rice is flavorful and comforting. Individuals and citizens, this food group restricts the best it can be made starting with the instant pot. Including fruits which are banana and orange, rich in vitamins and
As additional lang, ang question is, why nutritious food item is important for preschoolers? Nutrition is important at every age. Your children need proper nutrients to stay healthy and strong, and grow up healthy and strong. Nutrition for our children can also help establish a foundation for healthy eating habits and nutritional knowledge that your child can apply throughout life. Young children whose brains are rapidly developing need a nutrient-dense diet to help them as they process the world around them. Without the right nutrients, toddlers and preschoolers might struggle to develop the skills to maintain concentration, which becomes increasingly important as they get older.
So here are the ingredients of our chicken pan fried rice.
Yes, egg, garlic, onion, carrot, ginger, broccoli, black pepper and salt, green peas, onion, vegetable content for everyone.
Generally, a preschooler should be eating at least between 1,200 and 1,600 calories per day. These are meal. This includes for all the essential nutrients. To be the meat, seafood, eggs, good grains, and fresh light fruits and vegetables. Roasted barley bean, 2 egg, 40 pesos, 3 carrots, 20 pesos, chicken, 50 pesos, rice, beans, orange, 40 pesos, banana, 50, water, 10. Total of 145, 20 pesos to kami each. Then the nutritional facts.
The fat is 1.5 grams, calories 198 grams, fiber is 88 grams, protein is 11.5 grams, carbs is 30 grams, and cholesterol is 140 milligrams.
So in this full meal, we have calories 198 grams plus the banana and the orange, total 369 calories. 369 for one for lunch. Okay, tapos, so for the whole, ano